development, 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 computers, 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 electronic, 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 device, 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 added, 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 impetus, 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 research, 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 activities, activities, activities.
If you're seeing me for the first time, we are on 31 days reading journey, and today is the 10th day of this journey. Okay, so if you're just joining me, don't forget to watch day 1, day 2, day 3 to day 9 before this day 10. Okay, so if you're just joining me, you're so welcome, and you can actually be part of this family just by subscribing. And don't forget, turn on your notification button so you get notified whenever I post any video. So on today's video, we're going to be doing as usual. Let's dive right into today's lesson.
Problems, 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 involving, 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 calculator, 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 perform, 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 difficult, 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 computation, 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 which, hit through, hit to, could, tack code, soft, accurately, computers, almost, every, business, tremendously, mimic, human, student, physical, behavioral, sciences, education, indispensable, introduction, Introduction. 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 Analysis. 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 Sophistication. 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 Mention. 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 Financial. 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 Institution. 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 Technology. 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 Stage. 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 School. 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 Electronic. 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 Okay, so now I have this following 2 letters, 3 letters, and 4 letter words you're likely going to see in our today's comprehension. So let's pronounce them together. To, as, off, in, be, at. Again, to, as, off, in, be, at. Now let's look at the 3 letter words we have: but, for, and, not, can, now, are, use. Again, but, for, and, not, can, now, are, use. And for the 4 letters we have like, well, high, mind, work, part, fast, rate, work, life, home, row, have, give, hand, very. Again we have like, well, high, mind, work, part, fast, rate, work, life, home, row, have, give, hand, very. Okay, so this is what we are able to come up with at the end of our pronunciation, and this is the topic for today's comprehension. So let's read together. The role of computer in educational research and data analysis. The role of computer in educational research and data analysis. Introduction. The development of computers and other electronic devices have given added impetus to research activities. The development of computers and other electronic devices have given added impetus to research activities. Research problems involving hand calculators to perform difficult computations which hitherto could not be tackled can now be solved accurately and at a very fast rate using computers. research problems involving hand calculators to perform difficult computations which hitherto could not be tackled can now be solved accurately and at a very fast rate using computers. Computers are now used in almost every walk of life, at homes, in businesses, financial institutions such as banks, schools, and in research, to mention but a few. Computers are now used in almost every walk of life, at homes, in businesses, financial institutions such as banks, schools, and in research, to mention but a few. The sophistication in computer technology has now reached tremendous high stage that it can mimic the human mind. The sophistication in computer technology has now reached tremendous high stage that it can mimic the human mind. Research students in the physical and behavioral sciences like education as well as in humanities can now make computers some indispensable part of their research work. Research students in the physical and behavioral sciences like education as well as in humanities can now make computers some indispensable part of their research work.
Alright, so this is what it is for today's video, and I hope you got something for yourself. I hope you learned one or two. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to stay safe. See you on my next video, same time tomorrow by God's grace, and bye for now.